Start by removing both upper seatbelt mounts. Next, unzip the roll bar cover. If you have a soft top like this one, you can leave the bows in place. Pop the plastic roll bar cover off. Install the harness bar with the supplied hardware. You'll want to slide the bar up as far as you can in order to clear the hardtop or door surrounds. Install the plastic trim with just the top clip holding it to mark where you need to cut. Trace a line from your 2 marks, and then cut on your line. Install the trim and check the fitment. Adjust if necessary. Reinstall the roll bar cover and tuck the excess in the lower trim piece. Reinstall the seatbelt and cover. Install your harness and enjoy. For more information, head over to steinjaeger.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.